The first question is, why do you think your first two articles were conducted using an inductive approach? Well, because in these two first articles I discovered that the authors employ an inductive method because they begin making specific observations and then move towards broader ideas or general statements like the book says. And for instance, they note that humor can assist students in specific children to learn vocabulary, new words, learn songs and colors and different topics. And following these initial observations, the authors incorporate humor-related theories to aid children's learning. They develop various methods to collect data or test the validity and effectiveness of all these theories, and they compare the hypotheses and that they obtain with the results and the final part of the article, and verify the accuracy of these theories. And in a specific, these articles highlight how humor in education is approached through a systematic inductive research method. Like I said, it starts in a specific observation, and then they go to general statements. And the next two articles, they took a different approach because the authors employed a deductive method in their research. They began by discussing various articles and studies that talk about the positive effects of use humor in among children's age like 5 to 10, and highlight how humor aids in better comprehension and learning. So they build upon these established theories, and the authors formulate hypotheses suggesting that humor could also benefit students in higher grades, or in a specific in learning of a second language are students of an university. And this transition from general observations to an specific applications in the case of general education to a specific learn a second language to a higher students can help me to deduct that this research was deductive. And for example, in this part, the authors started accumulating general information, like I said, and try to implement in this specific case to improve the methods to learn a second language. And the last question is, why advantage and disadvantage would the deductive approach have for the realization of my research? Well, in advantage, I write that the deductive approach gives me a clear plan to follow, so it's easier to me to structure my investigation. Then I can test specific theories that other investigators use, and also use existing ideas that are related to my topic. In this advantage, I write that I might miss some details, important details that can affect directly the way that one person learn a language. It will be inflexible topic because humor involves a lot of different ways to understand humor, different ways to take humor. So my research might be, so I need to be specific to in define my topic.